The ShapeShift modular holster system has changed the course of holsters forever. With its innovative design, the ShapeShift is capable of shifting from one carry position to the next to suit your lifestyle. Now it's time to expand this modular system. Introducing the combat-ready ShapeShift drop leg holster. This groundbreaking holster is fully compatible with the ShapeShift modular holster system and offers unsurpassed customizability to the carrier. With its versatile design, you can carry how you want and where you want. Carry your firearm and 2 spare magazines on one platform, or add a few more mags using the removable magazine attachments. Alternatively, you can also carry your Cloak Mod OWB holster using this adaptable rigging. The choice is yours. Traditional holsters tend to take up valuable waist space. Wearing the drop leg holster frees up space on your waistline, allowing you to comfortably carry more equipment than ever before. Achieve the fastest draw possible using the ShapeShift's adjustable ride height. With this special feature, you can discover the perfect position to draw from. Simply raise or lower your holster to draw from your arm's natural resting position. This highly versatile drop leg holster also provides 360-degree cant adjustment. The ShapeShift drop leg holster is designed with comfortable, cutting-edge materials that are built to withstand the daily grind. A set of soft polyester straps hug your leg comfortably, while a durable nylon strap holds your handgun and spare mags with ease. Even the buckles are designed with lightweight and high-strength materials. This holster is as tough as they come and incredibly flexible where needed. Transfer your holstered gun to a variety of surfaces and carry positions using the fast and easy quick release button. To go from your thigh to a surface of your choice, press the button located on your holster and transfer your firearm to a new platform in seconds. The American-made ShapeShift is proudly backed by a 30-day test drive and forever warranty. Discover the most advanced thigh holster at aliengearholsters.com.
Rothco's VMAX Tactical Boot is our lightest, most flexible boot yet. It was designed for military-style training and brings together the durability and protection of a military combat boot with the flexibility and weight of a running shoe. The VMAX boot features a pliable, rubber and EVA outsole with a tactical layout for multi-surface traction that maximizes flexibility while still offering supreme protection. Other features include 2 screen vents on each boot that help circulate air and keep your feet cool and dry. The lacing system, with 3 eyelets and 4 speed laces, makes getting the boot on and off quick and easy, while keeping your feet secure in the boot to prevent blisters and chafing. From the rugged, multi-surface outsole to the padded collar, this durable boot will protect you from the elements and provide optimal comfort, allowing you to endure longer and train harder.
Today at CRKT we are taking a look at the Eros. This is a Ken Onion designed everyday carry folding pocket knife. The overall length on this one is right at 7 inches. The blade length is right at 3 inches. It's made from a Kudo steel. Check out that blade. This comes to an extreme point there. It's going to be great for fine detail work, that sort of thing. Now let's talk about the handle on this knife. It's a titanium handle, 6AL4V titanium. And that's going to keep the weight on this knife down to 1.4 ounces. And all of this is machined. It's a beautiful texture and just solid. You can see it in hand. Nice size for everyday carry. Just a solid piece here. It has a titanium frame lock there, so to close the knife, just take your thumb, push over on that lock, take your index finger and close the knife. Now to open it, it has a flipper right here. Just push down and out on that flipper, well, just down on it actually. And it has an IKBS ball bearing system in it. Now that is going to make this super smooth and silky when you open it. Just push down, bam, it fires extremely well. That's a great little innovation, and Ken has done a great job designing around that innovation. Just looks really great. It's got a lanyard hole right there. Other things that you want to know about this, let's take a look at the pocket clip here. The unique pocket clip design from Ken Onion looks solid. Here's a shot of it in my pocket to give you an idea of how it rides. So there you have it. Let me show you one quick size comparison next to a ruler. Again, the overall length on this one is 7 inches, so you can see that there. Again, solid piece designed by Ken Onion. It's called the Eros, and just a great little design for everyday carry.
Hey guys, this is John with Rothco. Today I just wanted to introduce you to one of our more versatile bags, the 3-in-1 Mission Bag. Starting with the outside construction, the bag is made of 900 denier polyester, making it more sturdy than our 600 denier bags. This adds a little bit of weight, but it also allows you to carry more gear. You'll notice the bag has compression straps to adjust the amount of gear you're carrying. Whether you're building a tactical loadout bag or simply a bag for travel, you can keep your belongings secure. Another feature you'll notice along the outside of the bag is the PALS webbing that allows you to attach additional MOLLE gear. In addition, there are pockets lining the outside, allowing for quick access to smaller items such as keys or glasses. The side pockets feature mesh dividers for additional organization. We went with interlocking zippers on the outside, which is convenient for travel as well as transporting firearms, as some states require a lockable container for transport. I loaded the bag with a few common items found in a Minuteman kit. While this is not a complete kit, it gives you an idea of how much gear you can fit inside the bag. The main compartment features 2 zip-down dividers, so you can keep your gear separated. For example, if you've got some mucky boots on you and you want to keep them away from the rest of your gear, you just zip up one divider, or if you have larger gear, you can always fold down the dividers for extra space. The top hood features 2 mesh pockets, which are perfect for organizing smaller kits like toiletry kits or maybe even a rifle cleaning kit. As the namesake implies, there are 3 different methods with which to deploy the 3-in-1 Mission Bag. To start off, you can choose between one of the 2 carry handles conveniently located on the top and the face of the bag. The second method utilizes a detachable shoulder strap, allowing you to carry it much like a messenger bag. Lastly, if you look on the back of the bag, you'll find dual zip and tuck away shoulder straps, allowing for a standard backpack style of carry. To find out more about the 3-in-1 Mission Bag,
this is the Schrade SCAXES Tactical Hatchet. The SCAXES is sized as a light-duty, full-tang hatchet, perfect for emergency, survival, rescue, and tactical applications. The black powder-coated, quarter-inch thick SK5 high-carbon steel tang provides exceptional strength, culminating in a 3.1-inch razor-sharp axe head. 6 steel bolts attach the glass-filled nylon fiber handle scales to the tang. These are dimpled and contoured to help provide a solid grip. The handle's ergonomic shape and size allows you to grip the hatchet at different handle locations, depending on the cutting task. Grip the lower portion of the handle for power strokes. Go with a high grip when you need greater control. Move your grip above the handle for slicing, such as making wood curls for fire-starting material. Penetration power is afforded by the SCAXES pointed spike, angled for maximum impact. The hatchet's versatility increases as the tang extends through the handle to form an effective prying tool, complete with a nail pull notch. Holes in the tang provide cording options, and the slot serves as a valve wrench in emergency situations. Carry the hatchet at your side in the protective nylon fiber belt sheath with quick access snaps, or lash it to gear. A lightweight hatchet with an overall length of under 13 inches, designed with robust capability, crafted from premium materials, and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade SCAXES Full Tang Tactical Hatchet.
Rothco's quarter-zip combat shirts are made for comfort and worn for protection. They're used for military and tactical personnel in the field to wear under heavy body armor and tactical vests, as well as other purposes. The combat shirt is made of a lightweight and breathable fabric that wicks away moisture while keeping you dry. The chest and the back is 60% cotton and 40% acrylic, and the ripstop sleeves are 50% nylon and 50% cotton. Each arm is equipped with a 4-inch by 6-inch hook and loop attachment where you can attach a name, rank, flag, or a morale patch. Behind the patch is a zippered sleeve pocket for your phone or other accessories, and below the attachment are anti-abrasion padded elbows with elbow pad inserts, as well as wrist adjustments that are hook and loop. The quarter zip version of our combat shirt features a mandarin collar with front quarter zipper. Rothco's quarter zip combat shirt is also great for hunting and airsoft.